All shit. All shit. Okay, this is your boy Perm. I'm up here at the bus station. And I'm trying to make it over to that green thing over there. Problem is all these sons of bitches is everywhere. Oh shit. You can't see them cause me. Oh shit. Oh, they're everywhere. Okay, I think it's like, holy shit. Y'all cannot see it, but there are birds on every single tree. They're posted tab. They're waiting for me to walk under them and take a dump on me face. I'm going to try to sneak my way over to the green thing over there with the roof. Hopefully I don't piss off too many birds. Oh shit! There's a bird right here. Oh shit! I know me bus is coming. Only got like 4 minutes to get all the way over here without getting shit on. Okay, don't walk under its ass. These niggas are real, that is bird shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. They're flying. Oh, this is like Resident Evil. Except instead of getting eaten, we don't want to be covered in sheet. Avoided the sheet. Okay. Oh, they won't stop making scary noises. They're talking. I know they're talking about me. They're like, who wants to shit on the nigga? Oh shit. Oh no. Just a car. Okay, I haven't pissed off any of the birds now. But oh shit, they're on the ground. Oh, I know they saw me. What? Oh, it's just a sign. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm standing right underneath the motherfuckers. Oh no. Oh no. I got to stop freaking out. Oh no. What is that? There's me bus. Okay. I'm almost free. Okay. Let's go. Okay, I made it. I'm safe for coming bus. Oh, I made it. Okay. Oh, come here, come me bus. I made it. You don't win today, you fucking birds.